Yes.
So, yeah, and then we have illegal contracts. So on basis of validity, how many contracts we have? Valid contract, void
Void
contract,
contract, voidable,
voidable
contingent
contract.
contract.
Okay, yeah. Contingent contract is not under the basis of validity.
Yeah,
As of now, we
that
don't
is
know. Don't worry. As of now, we don't know. We've read it into the example of voidable. No. Yeah.
yes,
We've read it in the example of voidable or void. Nothing. We just gave an example
Voidable.
of, yeah.
sir.
Canada.
Nothing, sir.
Okay. Then we have illegal contract. I'll just read it out. We'll see what this is fun. It is a contract which the law forbids to be made. Forbid. Avinash, what do you mean by forbid?
Forbid means can means not enforceable.
Exactly. Restricted. Right.
Yes.
Forbid means restricted. So if it is a contract that is law is only restricting to it to make it. You cannot make this contract. What see why is all this whole thing, the whole contract and all this law is there? In case you created legal obligations and then you did not perform, you can come to me. Right? I am the big boy. I'll tell the judgment. But here, the law, once you take an illegal agreement to the court and say, sir, he did not supply me cocaine, he said he did not supply me cocaine, but he did not supply me cocaine. You know what court will say? Keep this aside, first go into the jail. Right? Because first thing, the law has forbidden to make agreements like these. That's the first point. The court will not enforce such a contract, but also the connected contracts. Connected contracts is in that house example, no? This is a connected contract. What contract between me and Deepak? This is
Yeah,
the connected contract. So because this thing did not happen, this contract is also not valid. So
yeah,
here the same way, the court will not only enforce the person who's selling me the contract in the first hand, but any other contract connected to this contract will also not be enforceable. The court will not say, no, Deepak has not supplied you cocaine. No, it doesn't mean that you don't have to supply. See, assume Deepak will supply me cocaine, I'll have to supply cocaine to Avinash. So this is the connected contracts. So court will not say, no, Deepak has not supplied you cocaine. You have to do anything and supply to Avinash. It's his right to receive. Court will not say like that. It will not only cancel the main contract, it will also cancel the connected contracts. But imagine, bro, if you were supplying me vegetables and he came to my restaurant and he ordered something and you did not supply me that vegetable. What court will say, this guy did not supply the vegetables? No, you need not give him the curry. You already paid the bill, da. You get this point? So here, even though the main contract has not been performed, you have to do you have to do something and give him the food, no, or pay his money back. As simple as that. And
yeah,
damages also. So in legal aspects, the court will not the court will not the court will ask you to enforce the connected contract. Main contract also not happen, doesn't care. Other contract, connected contracts, you should perform. But illegal contracts, court will cancel all the connected contracts. You can't come to the court on the first case. That's why all this illegally it's happening. No? See,
sir.
this
If it
much
is illegal, why we call it as contract?
exactly. That's what is the point. See, seriously, all illegal. Where is that point now? Okay, he gave it somewhere. He's saying that day when an agreement is not enforceable by law, how are you calling it a contract? So technically, there is no concept of illegal contract only. It's always an illegal agreement. So it will not go beyond agreement stage. Just to identify in the types of contract, they've just given type illegal contract, but there is no such thing called illegal
Illegal
contract
contract.
because illegality of this object will make essential gone. No, the object should be lawful and legal. So if they
Yeah,
like, if one of the essential is not there, how will it be an agreement?
contract.
Yeah, contract. It is an agreement. Agreement is just two promises for each other, but that is
Yeah,
enforceability by law will make it a contract. No,
yes, sir.
so illegal contract, there's nothing like illegal contract, but it's just to identify the illegal contract. The second thing is that all illegal agreements are void. That means all illegal agreements are not enforceable by law, but all void agreements are not necessarily illegal. That X guy happened, X died, and book did not publish. Now that agreement
Yeah,
became
that
illegal.
is not illegal.
Yeah, all
That is
void
not-
agreements need not become illegal, but definitely all illegal agreements are void. Because
Yeah.
illegal agreements are only violating one essential lawful object, but the agreement or the contract does not happen to any of the absence of any of the other essentials. It is also void agreement only, no? Or a void contract only. Legal agreements is one essential of the whole thing. They are only violating one essential. If they violate any of the other things, also it is void agreement or void contract only. So technically, void contract is also not there, no? Because once it is not a proper agreement, how will it enforceable be? How will it be enforceable by law if one of the essential is not there? So there is nothing called void contract also. Just for this also to identify only.
Void contract is, sir, it's there because void contract, once it is valid, after certain period, it became void.
Yeah,
So
it
it
became
can,
void. Now, what is contract? The contract is binding two people. In void contract, whom it is binding down?
it is
So
not binding, sir, but once upon
yeah,
it's
when
binded.
yeah, that's what he's telling. To only to identify something, they told it as a void contract. But technically, there is no contract existing there. Only to identify, it is a void contract. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Example: contracts that are immoral or opposed to public policy are illegal in nature. What is immoral? Anything against human safety is immoral, no? If you're beating a man without any daya dakshi, that is immoral, right? Or opposed to public policy. Policies are rules and regulations that the government has set for us to physical policy, monetary policy, right? Aadhaar policy, ration policy. What is this ration card thing, bro? Any people who's not able to afford the basic necessities, no, we'll give them that necessities at a very cheap cost. That is what is the rule. That is what is the whole policy about. Anyone come with a ration card, get 15 kgs of rice, 5 kgs per head in the house, no, that's what you get ration for. 5 kgs of head per rice, you get 3 kgs of pappu, 2 kgs of sugar, right? All of this government is supplying you at a very subsidized rates. Now, this is a policy that the government has made for the public welfare.
Yes, sir.
Right. So that is why it's a public policy. And if you're opposing public policy, that means anything you're doing against it. You know this, right? Ration owner, the person who gets the authority to distribute this to people, what he does, the good quality rice which the government is allotting him, he will sell that somewhere else. And with the money he got from that, he'll buy cheap quality rice and he'll distribute that. So that's what was happening. It's not now, yesterday or 10 years before or 20 years before. From that movie time, before that movie time also it was happening. Which movie? Which movie do you think I'm talking about now? Both of you.
No idea, sir.
What?
No. You saw this movie, Arjun's movie. Just one day chief minister will become. Okay. What is your name, da? Arjun movie, da. He'll become chief minister for one day.
Yeah, Muddalvan.
You remember? He'll go to ration shops and see what is this rice, da? What is this oil, da? What is this? Hey, now what was he doing? He was selling all the cheap stock. He was doing some. What was he doing? He would keep the magnet under the weight so that some also he'll put, it will balance off.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yeah,
So
I remember.
that is against the public policy. That is illegal.
Yeah.
That's why we cancel thing and we'll send him to jail. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So contracts that are immoral or opposed to public policy are illegal in nature. Similarly, if R agrees with S to purchase brown sugar. Brown sugar is one of
Drug.
drugs. It is an illegal agreement. Obviously done. According to Section 2G of the Indian Contract Act, an agreement not enforceable by law is
Void.
void. Alright, now he's telling us the difference between illegal agreement and void agreement. See, correctly, now he used correctly. Illegal agreement only will be there, void agreement only will be there. Right? Okay. So difference between illegal agreement and void agreement based on the scope. Scope is the reach. This is the scope. All illegal agreements are void, but all void agreements are not illegal. That is the scope of both the agreements. Despite this, there is similarity between illegal and void agreements that in both the cases, it is void ab initio and cannot be enforced by law. I'm assuming that this is the first time void ab initio came in the whole lesson. So I'll tell you what is void ab initio. Void ab initio means right from the initial stage of starting these promises with each other, then only it is void. You need not come to see the essentials are there or not. This agreement itself, the promise that you are making with each other itself is void because that is illegal in nature. Both void, both illegal. Got it? I know that you
That
guys
is
knew.
void ab initio.
Sorry, Da?
That is void ab initio. Okay.
Yeah, void ab initio is anything that is not enforceable by law, right? But first case only.
From the beginning.
Yeah, where it will start? It will start with the promises for forming consideration for each other. No. Then only it is void. You need not see agreement and for enforceability of law, whether all the essential elements are there or not. No. The promise itself is illegal and void. You can't do that. What if the agreement is for pushing that or lifting the whole hill? I can't see any hill, bro. I'm so used to Vizag, right? If you anytime, anywhere in Vizag, if you just see out now, there's some hill visible. Some hill. So Vizag is full of hills only. So some hill is always visible. That's why I'm just seeing where is the hill. Okay. Yeah. So scope is that all illegal agreements are void and all void agreements are illegal. Despite that, there is similarity is that both of them are void ab initio. Difference between illegal agreement and void agreement based on the nature and character of what? Illegal agreements are void since the very beginning. They are invariably described as void ab initio. Yes, the promise to sell cocaine and brown sugar is void ab initio only. No. However, as already emphasized in the scope of a contract by nature which is valid can subsequently change its character and then become void. So not all void agreements or void contracts are void ab initio. Initially, they would have become valid contracts, but on subsequent developments of events, it has become void. So invariably, illegal agreements are void ab initio, but not void contracts or void agreements. Cool. You wrote chapter? Yes, no. Effect on collateral transactions. Effect on collateral transactions. In the case of illegal contracts, collateral transactions, remember connected contracts. That is collateral transactions. In case of illegal contracts, even the collateral transactions, namely transactions which are to be complied before or after or concurrently along with the main contract, all of them become not enforceable. In contrast, in the case of voidable contracts, the collateral transactions can be enforced despite the fact that the contract may become voidable. Are we reading between voidable agreement and void agreement and voidable agreement? Okay, because voidable agreement is an option of converting it into void. That's why he gave the example of voidable. See, in contrast, in case of voidable contracts, the collateral transaction can be enforced despite the fact main contracts have become voidable to the extent the collateral transactions are capable of being performed independently. He's saying that when will a voidable or a valid contract, in case of voidable or valid contracts, when will the main contract not happening also, the other contracts are still enforceable. Then this can be performed independently, this can be performed independently. Then you have to enforce this fact. Imagine it's just tomatoes. No, this guy did not sell it to you. You buy it from that guy and give him this tomato soup. You can't tell, no, he did not give me tomato soup. He did not give me tomatoes. I'll not give you tomato soup. Can that happen? No, he'll file a case against you and you'll have to pay for it and also go to jail. Right? For wasting that court's time on the silly issues. Right? But imagine, because here it is enforced, the concrete contract is enforceable because these are independent. To the extent, see, that's what he's saying. Where is this thing? Yeah. A contract by nature which is valid can subsequently change its character and become void. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. In contrast, in case of voidable contracts, the collateral transactions can be enforced despite the fact that the main contract may have become voidable to the extent the collateral transactions are capable of being performed independently. That means if they're not capable of performing independently, that is not enforceable. But if they are capable of performing independently, that is contract is enforceable. That means you have to perform the contract. Got it? This point? Lovely. Penalty and punishment. Yeah, here only penalty and punishment will come. No, illegal. All illegal agreements are punishable under different laws. Not only one law, punishable under different laws like Indian Penal Code, etc., etc. Whereas parties to void agreements do not face such penalties or punishments. You don't have punishment. You just have to give them any advance. If it is there, you have to just pay them advance. Pay back the advance now.